Welcome back. I'm dropping the exhaust exit back down to a 3-inch, trying to eliminate the drone, and we'll see how it goes. It's basically going back to the original setup that I had, a straight 3-inch, except now it's got an 18-inch vibrant resonator in the midsection and an ultra quiet oval resonator in the muffler section. All right, now I got everything kind of prepped here. I'm gonna see where exactly I need to cut this 3-inch. I'm gonna have to cut the back on a bit of an angle so that it lines up to the existing pipe. Yeah, just have it come out a couple inches past the bumper. I'm gonna wanna keep one of the ends perfect. So I'll cut it like this and then I'll flip it around. Something like that'll be nice. I can always shorten it after. I'm just gonna line her up here, see what kind of adjustments I need to make. I gotta cut it on about 1/4, 3/8 of an inch slant. And that's our cut. Beauty. So now I got this fitted in here. I got it clocked with the angle that it's on. Not a perfect fitment, but I can weld that no problem. All right, let's get this baby tacked into place. Master. And that's that. I'm gonna throw the bumper on, we'll get it on the ground, and I'll compare it to what it sounded like before. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll pull it out. We'll do, cold start, rev, whatever, and then I'll take it for a drive and I'll compare it to the last video I made with 3.5 and the resonator, and we'll see what it sounds like now. Hopefully this gets rid of a lot of the drone because it sounded better before the 3.5-inch tip. And now I've also got a second resonator, so it should be a pretty clean sound. We'll see what it does. that's enough of that one. That was insanely loud. I'm not going to keep doing that, but honestly, it is a lot quieter compared to what it was. It toned down quite a bit. Those pops are insanely loud. You probably can't hear it on the camera, but that was nuts. But just driving, it sounds so much better. Like, it's just tamer. It doesn't make so much noise. It's still loud, but it doesn't drone heavy. There's no rasp. Getting very close to what I would call a fairly perfect sound for an E46. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.